In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google's Duet AI within Google Docs to enhance your writing process. Whether you're drafting professional emails, writing reports, or simply jotting down ideas, Duet AI can significantly streamline and elevate your work. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of this tool. First things first, you'll need to open Google Docs. This is quite straightforward. Head over to docs.google.com. Once there, you can either start afresh by clicking on blank document or continue working on an existing file that you've saved earlier. This setup gets you right into the Google Docs editor where all the magic happens. Now, moving on to the next crucial step, let's ensure Duet AI is enabled for your account. Look around the top left side of your toolbar or near the toolbar itself. You're searching for the Help Me Write button, usually accompanied by a twinkling icon, a sign of creativity at your fingertips. If you don't spot this option, it may mean that your account needs some adjustment. Workspace users should reach out to their admins to get Duet AI enabled. Alternatively, you can join a trial if it's available for you. Once you've confirmed that the AI writing option is ready to go, you can unleash its full potential. With Duet AI enabled, the next step is harnessing its power to generate text. Click on the Help Me Write button. You'll then be prompted to type in your request. Whether it's crafting a polished email to your manager or summarizing a lengthy text, type your command and press Create. In a matter of moments, you'll see a draft magically appear directly in your document, ready for you to review. Once you've had your text drafted, it's time to refine it. After all, even AI-generated content can benefit from a bit of tweaking. The refinement options include making your text shorter or longer, and adjusting its tone to be either more formal or casual. Experiment with these options to fit your specific needs and watch as the AI adjusts your text instantly, presenting you with refined possibilities. Sometimes you might want to brainstorm or expand on ideas further. Highlight any sentence in your document, then right-click and select Help Me Write. This action prompts the AI to suggest ways to expand, rephrase, or add more detail to your initial ideas, giving you a broader scope for creativity. Once you're satisfied with the AI-generated draft, it's simple to add it into the body of your document. Just click Insert, and the refined text will appear seamlessly in your doc, ready for any additional edits you may wish to incorporate. Finally, the versatility of Duet AI means you can use it for a variety of tasks, whether you're drafting emails or compiling comprehensive reports. Now you are well equipped to tackle these with enhanced efficiency and effectiveness. I hope this walkthrough inspires you to explore and utilize the cool features of Duet AI in Google Docs. Enjoy the seamless writing experience